Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Thursday, the 7th of May. We're going to look at cable now, and cable has been in decline for the past four sessions. It actually looked to be consolidating around the midpoint of the range between 2160 2645. It looked to be consolidating around that, and then it had a decisive move to the downside yesterday. It's actually rebounded back off that 50% fib line, 23 figure area this morning. And what we've had is the Bank of England come out with its monetary policy decision. No changes to Bank of England's policy on rates or QE or asset purchases, but there is a suggestion that there could be more further down the line if there is the need to do so. A couple of the Bank of England members voting for a further increase of asset purchases by 100 billion sterling. But what we saw is that cable actually rallied on the back of that. So you've got a fairly reasonable outlook actually from the Bank of England, and sterling has actually been supported from that this morning. And again, we're sort of back around the midpoint of the range again. 2385 to 2405 has been a consistent turning area for the market in recent weeks, and it's back around that level as we speak, and it's sort of trying to test the underside of that resistance. So how the market responds around this pivot area will be important now, because obviously what we have seen is a retreat back towards the lows of the range, but then a rebound again. So essentially this is still a range bound market, and you see swings higher and swings lower. We've had four sessions falling away. Is this a turning point for the market then starting to pull higher again? I think any sort of decisive move above that closes 2405, above that area, I think you start to generate more positive momentum again. Look at the hourly RSI around that 60 mark. So if it can move above that 60 mark, that would again suggest more positive momentum developing. You've got this downtrend being tested. MACD lines are rising, as are the RSI. So we can see that the potential is there for this recovery to take hold once more. And as I said, 2405 is a mid-range pivot area that if you see the market decisively above there on a consistent basis, I think that would suggest generation of more positive momentum again for cable. But essentially, we are still playing out within this range, aren't we? So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.